Hi, my name is Jim Drury. If you're watching this, first of all, congratulations on your appointment as a GA there with the History Department. I've just finished up a 2-year appointment myself down there, and now I'm coming to you from, as what you can see, is my luxurious basement office here at home. But I do have a window over here, so it's a little bit of a step up. Anyway, I had to make a video for a video media production class that I'm also working on for my EDT degree. And I thought I would do this video that I think will you'll find useful, maybe help you hit the ground running a little bit, doing some tasks that they're going to be called upon to do by the instructors that you'll be working with there as a GA in relation to the online classes. So I've got 5 little clips here for you. The first one will show you how to navigate to and find the instructor guides for Blackboard, which is something I found very useful when I was first getting started there. And I very much encourage you to take advantage of the free Blackboard training that they offer there at the university. You can do it at either of the 2 technology centers, either in the library or over at Cheek Hall. Very good stuff. It's free. It looks good on your resume too down the road. Anyway, the second clip will show you how to use the adaptive release tool in Blackboard to extend due dates for students or groups of students. I also have a clip there to show you how to do the same thing in Launchpad, which if you happen to work with Dr. Nelson, first of all, congratulations again. He's a great instructor. You'll learn a lot from him. With his world history classes, he uses this, and you'll need to know how to extend due dates there as well. The next clip we have is this shows how to clear the cache on the 3 main web browsers. You may be familiar with this, but you're going to find a lot of students don't know how to do this, and often this will cause them problems when they're trying to connect to Blackboard, or especially when they're trying to connect to Launchpad. And finally, the other task that I'm going to show you how to do real easily is to download and save video from YouTube to use with course content, which again you will find professors sometimes ask you to do this for them. Anyway, I hope you find this useful, and again, congratulations on your appointment there, and good luck on your studies. Thanks for watching. Hi everybody, this is Mr. Drury. I just wanted to pass along a quick tip here. Most important thing that you need to know about working with Blackboard is if there's something that you're not quite sure how to do, or that you'd like to see if there's a way to do, the quickest way to get the answer is come right up here by your name once you're logged into your course and click on this arrow for this drop down menu, and then if you click this icon right here, you will get this page to come up. Okay, this is the home page, and then go here where it says Blackboard at MSU Instructor Guides, and you will see then this page. Once you are here, just go up here to the search box and type in what you're looking for. So if you were looking for help on moving content within Blackboard, within your course on Blackboard, just click that right there. There's also the search guides right here. You can do it too. I'm used to using this one. And within a second or two, you'll get probably the answer you're looking for right here. Copying and moving course content. And when you click on that, you'll find they have really good wikis here that have screenshots, show you exactly how to do all this kind of stuff. So that's a quick tip. Remember, if you're working in Blackboard, just go up here and then hit this question mark, brings up Blackboard help, and then you want to go to the instructor guides, and once there, just use the search box here. Okay, that's all I got for you right now. Hopefully will help somebody out, and have a nice day. Hi, this is Mr. Drury. This will quickly show you how to use the adaptive release feature in Blackboard, which is a handy little tool that helps you allow students to do makeup work and that sort of thing. To use it, you just go to an item that you would want to use this tool with. Right beside it, you'll see a little arrow here beside every item on Blackboard. And then this drop-down menu opens, you click Adaptive Release. And then you can set the dates, times and dates when you want the item to be available. If you leave this blank, this applies then to the whole class. But you can also use this for one person by just clicking the Browse button there beside it, right here. Okay, when this opens, by default it goes to username, which is the beginning of their BearPass email. Hard to know what that would be. But if you just click last name and then come over here and start to type their last name there, select it, choose go. Now it'll give you a list, and you just click here. There's a scroll bar here, and then click submit. And now this is going to only apply to this one person. Okay. This is where you would select where the grade's supposed to go. And this is exam quiz 8, I believe it was, yes. And then just click submit. And now you've created that rule. Now, if you need to get rid of one of these rules, you come back to that drop-down menu, and right underneath the original one, you'll see Adaptive Release Advanced. Okay, now it shows you your rules. Okay, and you can copy this. If you have a student that has several assignments they need to make up, you can create one rule and then just copy it and apply it to other assignments. And if you need to delete it, just click the box, and I'm going to delete the one we just set up because I don't need that there. Okay, and now it comes back and it'll tell you success, and here it'll tell you content status is available. All right. Now, let's say you have a situation, which you will run into occasionally, where you already have, or maybe you're already using this, but as I said, you have a makeup situation where, like what we have here is our quizzes are only allowed to, they're only allowed to do it during a certain time. So we already have a rule, but we can set a second rule. And to do that, we go back to Adaptive Release Advanced, and then create a rule. Okay, and then just click submit. So now we have rule 2. Now we need to create some criteria. And if this was a makeup, your membership and your date are going to be the two things you need to put criteria for. And then we would just set here for our dates when we want them to be able to view it or do the assignment. Oops. And then the times, make that midnight, and click submit. When this comes up, it's just telling you that since you have a date, it narrows the availability of the users, of the students, to be able to see the item. Okay, and now here's your rule. Now we need to add criteria if it was for one particular student, and that's the same way we did it before. Click Browse, choose last name, pick a student, and then click their name, scroll over, and click submit. Okay, and that is all there is to that. Hope you found that useful. Thanks very much. Figured it'd be easier to just show you how to do this real quick. Come here, say to this critical reasoning assignment, go to options, and go to edit. Okay, now come over here to assignment, click on that. Now settings up here versus settings for, add your individual right there from the class roster. This will do a search. Trying to think of who's in this class. Becker, I think. We'll say it's Becker. Not a Becker enrolled. Okay, how about Johnson? Yeah. Say we wanted to add Avalon Johnson. I don't know which student it is. And you just would click add. Okay, now it's up here. Now you just come and change the due date to whatever date you want it to be, and that setting will only apply to this student. Once you change that date, and then click Save Changes here, and then once you click Save Changes, it'll cycle, come back to the page, then go up here, Done Editing, and that's how you do it. Okay, sir? Hi everyone, this is Mr. Drury. I've gotten several emails from folks that have had a problem with the learning curves not saving their progress. The information I've gotten back from Macmillan is that this is because the cookies or the cache needs to be cleared on your browser. So I'm going to show you here real quickly how to do that in the three major browsers, beginning here with Firefox. In Firefox, you come up here to this little symbol and click that, and then come down to Options. Okay. You may have to click here on the Privacy tab at the top, because it may come up here as the General tab, but go click on Privacy, and then clear your recent history. Make sure that this cache is checked. Click Clear Now. Okay. Close and restart your browser. Okay. Now, in Chrome, in Chrome, you also come up here in the right corner, click this little icon, and you want to come to Settings. Once you're in Settings, go over here on the top left and click the History, and then clear your browsing data right here. And again, make sure that cached images and files is checked. Click Clear, let it do its thing, and close and restart the browser. Finally, in Internet Explorer, there's a little gear symbol here, and you want to go to Internet Options. Okay, and it's under the General tab. I have this actually set up. This is the latest edition to where it clears the history as soon as I exit the browser, which I don't use Internet Explorer myself very much. But you just basically need to click here. If you click Settings, that's where you change that, how often it clears things for you. Alright, and then just click Delete there. Make sure that you have temporary internet files and websites. Yeah, have that box, the cookies box and the histories box, and then just click Delete. And then Apply. Hi everyone, this is Mr. Drury again. This lesson will show you very quickly how to download and save video from YouTube, which frequently professors will ask you to do for course content. It's real simple. Just go to YouTube, find the video that you're looking for. If it's playing when it first comes on, just pause it right here. Then come up here to your address bar, click into there, and you want to be clicked in right between the where it says www dot, after the dot and before the Y. You want to type in SS, hit enter. That brings you to this other website here. It's called savefrom.net, and here you can download that video and save it to a file on your computer. Something to note here is here in the drop down menu there will be alternative slower speeds. The video can only be downloaded at the same speed it was uploaded. So if it doesn't work, you'll need to pick a slower speed. Click download, and a save file dialog box will come up. Make sure you have the save file slot clicked, and then click OK. Tell it where you want to put the file and click save. Okay, and here is our file. Alright, thank you very much.
That's all, folks.